inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm at my friend's house cleaning while he's at work and his daughter's at her mom's house. I offered to clean his house because he works 12-hour shifts 5 to 6 days a week, and I know the last thing that he wants to do when he comes home is clean. I also wanted his daughter to have a nice, clean, and peaceful space to sleep in and do her homework. And for those of you that know me, know I love to help organize, declutter, and clean other people's houses, even more than I do my own house. I think it's because I know how good it feels to have a fresh, clean space, and I want them to have the same happy, freeing feelings that I get. Let me know in the comments below if you'd rather clean your house or someone else's. I'm curious.
It's guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Hit you with the text on deck, so my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
For now, I'm just putting all of her toys in the playroom across the hall and her shoes in the hallway just to get her floor cleared. And then I decided to hang up most of her clothes that were in her drawers since she has so much room in her closet. My thoughts were that we could use the empty drawers for some of her other items that needed a home. So I actually filmed this video the day before the stay-at-home orders were given by our governor. My daughter had called me while I was cleaning to tell me about the orders just given, and I'm not gonna lie, I did start to panic. So I tried to work as quickly as I could and ended up forgetting to clean out the drawers by the desk. I also vacuumed before wiping off the surfaces, which I don't usually do in that order because the crumbs can sometimes fall onto the floor, but I wasn't thinking about that at the time. Alls I could think about was that I gotta hurry up and get to the store before the lockdown, because I had no idea if they were gonna let us go anywhere after today. So I just did things as quickly as I could.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out, one thorn, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out. Get me through all the layers of you. Get me through. In and out.
Alright, I'm all done. Here's her closet. All of her shirts. Her long sleeves shirts are on the bottom and the short sleeves are on the top. Here's her pants and her dresses. Her books are all cleaned out. There's her bed. Everything is wiped off and clean. Here's her pajamas. Some empty drawers now. It's always good to have empty drawers. Her socks and underwear and her blankets. Like I said, I did not get to those drawers at the desk. And that's it.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life.